Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Capital One on your mobile device. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on this internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store, and on the bottom of the screen, as you can see, there's a search bar where you want to simply go ahead and search for Capital One, just like that. And once you've done that, as you can see, it's gonna go ahead and pop up pretty easily. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on it and click on this download button right over here. It's gonna download pretty quick for me. It just depends on the internet based on where you are. So as you can see, now it has downloaded into my application or my phone. So I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on open, and there you go. It's going to launch pretty easily. It's going to let you to go ahead and log in or sign up into your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.